Let me show you how it works. This is the tattoo cover palette. So it's a wide range of shades. So that starts from light to deep. And the first step that you do is the red will actually cover the ink of the tattoo. So we have to cancel out that ink. A wide variety of shades to choose from. And I'm just gonna take a little bit off of each one so I can mix them and make a custom blend the product in. And I'm dusting in a little bit of butternut beige, and I'm adding that. The last part of the process is to set it. This is the Meredith Boyd Cosmetics Makeup Setting Spray. This is a sealing spray, not only for your makeup for your face, but also to seal the tattoo cover. Shake it. Now we've applied the makeup setting spray and has sealed the concealer. So it is smudge proof. Like I am rubbing on her body. There's nothing on my hand.